Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various vacancies which has been notified by the National Institute of Securities Market, an educational initiative of Security Exchange Board of India. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The National Institute of Security Market, an educational initiative of SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, has notified for the vacancy of Manager Information Technology, Assistant Manager General Stream, Assistant Manager Multimedia and Animation. The salary would be approximately 1,25,000 per month plus benefits. Now we will discuss about the Manager Information Technology, Assistant Manager General Stream and Assistant Manager Multimedia and Animation in detail. The age required for the Manager Information Technology as on 21st of June 2021 is 45 years maximum, and for the Assistant Manager General Stream and Assistant Manager Multimedia and Animation it is 35 years as on 21st of June 2021. 35 years is the maximum age. How many vacancies are there? For the Manager Information Technology, 2 vacancies are there. For the Assistant Manager General Stream, there are 4 vacancies. For the Assistant Manager Multimedia and Animation, there is 1 vacancy. So in total there are 7 vacancies. And for the manager post, this is 45 years is the maximum age required as on 21st of June 2021. And for the Assistant Manager, maximum age required is 35 years as on 21st June 2021. Now coming to the salary. For the Manager Information Technology, the salary package is 11,61,000 to 12,16,000 per annum for the Manager Information Technology. For the Assistant Manager General, the salary package would be 6,67,000 to 9,57,000 per annum. And for the Assistant Manager Multimedia and Animation, the salary range is 6.67 lakh to 9.57 lakh per annum. So the salary package is also very good as compared to the industries at standard. And the package given for the Manager IT is obviously near about 1,25,000 plus benefits, and for the Assistant Manager General, it is approximately 60,000 per month plus benefits. Now what are the education and experience for Manager Information Technology? The educational requirement for the Manager Information Technology is first class graduate, first class postgraduate degree in computer science or computer engineering, computer application, information technology, electronics, telecommunication from a reputed institute, and candidate with experience of working in financial sector is desirable. So you need to be a first class graduate or first class postgraduate in the computer science or computer engineering or computer application, information technology, electronics, telecommunication from a reputed institute. And the experience requirement is minimum 8 to 10 years of relevant post qualification work experience, of which at least 3 years shall be in the post of assistant manager or equivalent post. That means after completing your graduation or post graduation, you should have minimum 8 to 10 years of experience, work experience, and 3 years as working as an assistant manager or equivalent post. And the minimum post qualification work experience in the shall be 5 years for professional qualification from A-tier colleges of national repute. And the colleges which are in the A-tier, the colleges which are A-tier given by the University Grant Commission, for them it is only 5 years professional experience is required after completing their graduation or post graduation. This all experience is required as on 21st of June 2021. And desirable is candidate with experience in maintaining and supporting medium large public facing application and IT infrastructure will be preferred. So these are the educational qualification and experience for the Manager IT post. Coming to the Assistant Manager General, the requirement is first class postgraduate degree or equivalent in finance, commerce, marketing, economics, operation, retail, social media from a reputed institute or chartered accountant. Candidate with additional IT knowledge or work experience is desirable. That means for the assistant manager general, you need to have acquired minimum first class postgraduate degree or equivalent in finance or commerce or marketing or economics or operation or retail or social media from a reputed institute, or you should be a qualified chartered accountant. And candidates with additional IT knowledge, work experience is desirable. Experience required is fresher as well as experienced candidate can apply. However, candidate with experience will be preferred. So if you don't have any experience, then also you can apply. But yes, with the candidate who have an experience will be preferred. Next is assistant manager multimedia and animation, for which the requirement in educational qualification is second class postgraduate degree in multimedia and animation from a reputed institute, or any postgraduate qualification with diploma in multimedia and animation. Additional skill set is required is artistic talent, that is artistic ability and a good understanding of color, texture and light. Creativity, ability to think creatively, to develop original ideas and make them come to life. Communication skills, good communication skills to work as a part of team. Computer skills, well versed with various computer program to do most of their work. Time management skills, ability to manage their time with a deadline approach. These are the requirements for the assistant manager multimedia and animation, and fresher as well as experienced candidate can apply. However, candidate with experience will be preferred. Now the mode of selection shall be interaction of the shortlisted candidate with a selection committee constituted for the purpose. Interaction will mostly be web based. However, if called for personal interaction, outstation candidate will be reimbursed Y class airfare for the to and fro journey, subject to submission of necessary documentary evidence. Now, how to apply and what are the criteria? Candidates who are in service of government, quasi-government organizations, public sector undertakings are applying for the above position shall produce a no objection certificate from their employer at the time of interaction and a proper discharge certificate before appointment. Next is candidates who are in service of government, quasi-government organization, public sector undertaking and applying for these above position on deputation basis shall route their application through their employers. They shall also furnish vigilance clearance, major minor penalties if any imposed during last 10 years, and annual confidential report for last 5 years along with the application. Candidates are required to apply online before 21st of June 2021 through the website, that is www.nism.ac.in. and in case of any issues or difficulty in filing online application, you can contact at hrd@nism.ac.in, and no physical application will be entertained. It is only you have to only submit your online application form and no need to submit any hard copies. Applications that are incomplete in any respect or received in physical form or received after the prescribed date will not be considered. So you have to apply it only online by maximum 21st of June 2021, and the process of application is only online and no hard copy and no physical form is required. So the candidates who are interested and is eligible can apply for these posts. These are very wonderful opportunity with National Institute of Securities markets. So whosoever is interested can apply for these posts and can avail the opportunity. Thank you friend, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.